Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the fuel pump supply fuse is located on this 2013 Ford Escape. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So we need to come over to the passenger side. Your owner's manual will have all the fuses that we're going to look at numbered, and we're looking for fuse number 56, which is in the top left corner. Right down here are the fuses. So this 20 amp fuse in the top corner, right there, that is your fuel pump fuse right there. So 20 amp fuse all the way in the top corner. I will have fuses down below where you can get them online, but I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.